Don. So you mean say Amaka is the feature for this song? Amaka with the hot anyhow. Bros, I respect you.
See, guy, no get me wrong, oh. No be me one feature Amaka. Na Amaka dey beg me make she add voice for my song, guy. Amaka no reach now, bros. You don't know me again. Now what for you?
No be lie. I dey believe you.
Forget say she never come, oh. She been tell me say she won't come wait for me sef. Now me dey post her. Guy, na Amaka dey rush me, bro.
No be lie. But that get level. I hear say na men she dey follow the wrong matters.
Na Mataya. Guy, who I come be now? She I be woman. Now what for you, bros? No provoke me, oh. Which kind talk now?
Sorry, no vex now. Oya call her, time no dey.
Bros, I be no one call her, oh. But make I just call her, make it no be like say I get pride.
Jesus!
Na because of you, oh. Wetin I take save that number sef? Okay, correct.
How far she no pick?
Make I just call am again. Maybe she dey gate.
Continue.
Hello,
Ami baby, how far na?
who is on the line?
Oh my God.
Na Dada dey talk, Ami.
Oh, Don, how far now?
Yes. I dey fine, oh. How far na? We don dey studio dey wait for you since me and the producer you never show.
Please, no vex. Something came up. I went out with my guy.
Ami, why you wan do me like this na? Oya, no wahala, time still dey, you fit still come abeg.
No, I can't make you. I told you I will let you know when I dey free.
Ami, but I don dey beg you since na. Why you wan fall my
I
hand?
never even agreed to help you put voice for the song, safe.
Amaka, you wan disappoint me?
Apostle, we hear
Abeg
this.
na. Ami, abeg, na beg I dey beg you, abeg. Amaka, abeg
Let's
na.
talk later, beg.
Hello? Ami,
Will you keep quiet?
how far? She dey gate? Na Heaven's Gate.
Jesus!